Welcome! If you want to connect AirPods to your Nokia 1.3, at the first you have to open Bluetooth on your Nokia. So click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold to open Bluetooth settings. When we are here, we have to open charging case of our AirPods and click to pair new device. When they pops on the list, we have to simply click on them. And if it is not going to happen, we have to use our back button to move it into the pairing mode. So as you can see, in my case, I am able to use this AirPods Pro on the list and I can pair, but if they are not going to show on your list, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator blinks on the white color. So let's try to pair. As you can see, the pairing is rejected. Click another time. Okay, it's not working, so click and hold the button on the back of charging case. Click, hold until this indicator blinking on the white color, and right now try to connect. Accept the pair, and as you can see, our AirPods are connected. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!